I had a dream to be a singer since I was 4. And when I was 5 years old, I asked my dad, because he was a painter. In fact, he painted the painting behind me, but he had stopped painting. And I said, and I noticed at 5, and I said, "Why'd you stop painting?" And he said, "Well, you can't do your art as your career." So in that moment, I said, it wasn't so much he said it, because he said a lot of things I didn't listen to, but I
Mhm.
said, "You can't do your art as your career." And that became the lid on what was possible in terms of my dreams. So I was like, I'll do it on the side, I'll whatever.
Mhm.
So then here I am in this workshop, and I realized maybe that's not the truth. Maybe that's a belief, as we call them, limiting beliefs. But when something's a limiting belief, you don't think of it as a belief, you think it's the truth. That's why it's limiting. So
Mhm.
I realized it wasn't true, and within 3 months got a record deal and ended up having that song go #1. So I became committed to having other people's dreams come true in that moment, and developing the muscle of what I call being unmessable with, which isn't being tough. It's about being able to stay on track, fulfill your dreams, act from a creation place rather than a reactive space. That's really what that means.